Today, human cooperation and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new virtual entertainment blast. A great many people have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about. Yet virtual buy land through virtual monetary forms is an altogether original idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost expectation. In view of the Ethereum blockchain with an unquestionable record of possession, the Decentraland foundation of the game has been made to append an all-new command over the virtual place that is known for clients who can now buy, construct, and adapt computer-generated reality applications through Decentraland. Decentraland clients are better enabled to assume responsibility for the climate and applications they make inside their territory. The Authority online entertainment record of the stage generally keeps its perspectives refreshed with impending occasion. A thorough information of the arrangement made is recorded on the blockchain, and subsequently the data on this computer-generated simulation stage is completely safe. Decentraland, a virtual wonder. Every one of the resources and land packages displayed in the game can be bought with the local token, called mana, be it streets or courts. Since the land ownership is an NFT recorded on the decentralized blockchain Ethereum utilizing the ERC-721 guidelines, adaptability and security arise as unmistakable metaverse game elements. It's still early days for virtual universes despite the fact that the Decentraland project is explicitly conceptualized to draw in players who have matured out of the kids' games. For the teens and youthful grown-ups who look for more profound human associations dependent more on mingling and executing than on expedition. In January 2022, Decentraland made a stride further to point mass reception, facilitating a total virtual inclusion of the Australian Open tennis competition beginning from January 17, melding metaverse and reality, giving the experience of live transmissions, everyday POAPs, and some more. Let's plunge further into Decentraland mana value forecast and specialized examination. Decentraland, specialized examination and authentic information. What should be seen here is that right from commencement, and according to the most recent news and venture guidance by crypto specialists and investigators, the coin showed no development and lay languid with next to no beam of expectation for clients, in spite of the fact that there were changes and improvements occurring in the innovation of blockchain. This resource stayed lazy to move an inch. At the starting time, the cost of Decentraland digital currency was around 2 cents in December 2017. Afterward, it flooded and crossed the 24 cents mark, yet confronted dismissal and recaptured past help level. The Decentraland cost didn't actually check enormous developments and kept on exchanging a comparative cost range till the start of this current year. Then, as though with the power of a torrent wave, the coin cleared its path through numerous different partners. The blast time, i.e., the bull driving the mana pursue, really emerged from December 2020 when the resource climbed to the Decentraland cost of around 80 cents. Till April 2021, mana kept on showing a similar pattern, when the cost of mana shot up to another high of $1.56. In any case, in the wake of hitting another high, the mana kept on revising downwards, and the Decentraland cost plunged underneath 65 cents. Afterward, the mana coin set apart till the finish of October, and afterward it recorded a sharp climb which took the Decentraland cost above $3.50. From that point forward, the money kept on exchanging with critical bullishness. In the last November, Decentraland denoted another record-breaking high of $5.90. In any case, subsequent to hitting another ATH, the mana cost confronted huge revision which took the Decentraland cost around the $2 mark. From that point onward, the cost of Decentraland recovers its cost level around $3 mark. The majority of the computerized coin costs have been reflecting colossal unpredictability, and there is a high gamble in crypto exchanging during unstable periods. Our proposal to the merchants is to carry out their own analysis, market conjecture prior to exchanging to limit the gamble in question. Very much like numerous digital forms of money, the mana crypto can be bought through digital money trades like Binance and Huobi worldwide. Decentraland value forecasts, market feeling. Going by the specialized investigation, Decentraland cost has had a noteworthy journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the main role for its prevalence as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital money remains at the worth of $3.04 with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47, with a 24 HRS exchanging volume of $1,231,753, with a circling mana supply of 1,832,129,198 mana, and in most recent 24 hours the Decentraland cost has been changed by 6.09%. The specialist's mana cost examination and Decentraland mana value forecast should be visible as underneath. Market specialists have 2022 value expectation of $5.30. This Mana estimate addresses a move of 86% this year. Moreover, while the opinion encompassing the Mana crypto has been exceptionally negative before, the wallet financial backer expresses that Mana is supposed to offer 450% return on initial capital investment by 5 years to Decentraland financial backers. The Mana cost is anticipated to reach $3.39 by the start of February 2022 according to our cost forecast. As per Decentraland Cost Forecast 2022, the normal most extreme exchanging cost is $3.43. The base exchanging cost of Mana tokens is $2.33 in 1 year. The Decentraland for the finish of 2022 is $3.45. As per our Mana crypto forecast, the coin could triple in the following 5 years. It ought to have an unmistakable bulk on around $8 to $9, making it a drawn-out wise venture. The typical cost is supposed to stretch around $6 by the following year. As per the new long-haul gauges, Decentraland cost will hit above $4.54 toward the finish of 2022, $6.50 toward the finish of 2023, and $12.82 toward the finish of 2026, which will make Mana a wise interest from now on. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. Decentraland has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. In view of our Decentraland cost gauges, these highlights can help the Mana token edition a lot more exorbitant cost of $6.70 in 2023. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush according to our Decentraland Mana cost expectation 2023. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. Examining Decentraland Mana cost expectation for the year. There are many gauges going ahead for Decentraland, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the organization has plans on. There are not many Decentraland gauge that the Mana cost might reach $8 in the crypto market. Decentraland Value Forecast 2025. Decentraland is likewise dynamic in local area drives and through which we are hopeful about the Symbolic's future development as far as various elements like costs, volume, redesigns, and so forth, taking into account they keep up force collecting a critical market capitalization. Their drives with an emphasis on schooling, effort, and advancements. According to Decentraland Cost Forecast, Mana token might cost to an obvious degree of $10 post defeating the mental opposition level as its drawn-out cost in 2025. Decentraland Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that all markets turn positive, in 2026 Mana, a computerized resource, is set to break all hindrances and perform extravagantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned. Mana would unquestionably give indications of fortune for its clients according to our fair-minded crypto estimate, as indicated by the future cost forecast. According to the Decentraland cost patterns and verifiable information, the Decentraland cost may effectively contact $12.50 before the years over 2026. Mana coin value expectation 2030. According to Decentraland cost examination by specialists, the typical cost of Mana tokens is supposed to reach $97 by 2030. Decentraland future cost expectation expects an inspiration